Round 2 is quickly coming to a close of this bantamweight bout between NKLA Motor Corporation and Marathon Digital Holdings. Coming into this round, MARA held a slight advantage over NKLA with a score of 23-18. The opening prices were $4.65 for NKLA and $5.41 for MARA. Early in the second round, NKLA struck first with a $17 profit using a short put. By exiting the short put, it freed up some much-needed capital for NKLA, and 3 short put verticals were entered for $17 each during the stock's move downward. These are all profitable at the end of round 2 and should be closed for at least 75% of the max profit early in the next round. There are still 100 shares of NKLA being held at an average price of $5.45 from round 1. Therefore, a short call was also still in play, and with the early price movement up, it looked like it might expire in the money and the shares would be called away. However, theta decay did its work and the call was exited for 80% of the maximum profit for $4 in profit. Now that the short call landed a profit, an interesting but more risky trade was made instead of just another short call. Instead, a short call vertical was made. And as you can see here, the short call by itself would have been $22, but the vertical was made for $12. However, the idea here is that if NKLA increases dramatically in price, as we'll see was the case with MARA, then the long call would be exited for a profit, and the short leg would then just be converted into a covered call. It's a risky play, but has the potential to make big profit for NKLA. So be sure to watch the round 3 video to see how this trade plays out. In total, $21 was gained for this round for NKLA with an average trade ROI of 2.26%. The ending positions are 100 long shares, 3 short put verticals, and 1 short call vertical, leaving a remaining trading capital of $255. NKLA's opponent, MARA, also made some progress in this round. First, 100 shares are being held from the last round's short put assignment, but a short call was able to be opened that would expire in round 3. This may have been a mistake as the short call strike is $6.50, the assigned price. With MARA upwards of $8.50 at the end of this round, there's a lot of unrealized profits potentially left on the table. But that's the risk with selling calls. Profits are capped, even if the underlying stock increases in price. The Iron Condor from last week that was partially closed was now completely exited this round for a $17 profit. And by only using $50 in collateral for the Iron Condor, this trade packed a whopping 34% ROI. As NKLA turned up the heat with 3 short put verticals, MARA answered back with a similar set of trades. These put verticals were sold for $8 each and closed at $2 on the day of expiration. So this calculates into a $6 profit per vertical, and with 3 verticals, a total of $18 was made, and the ROI was 14.29%. Not only that, but an additional 3 call verticals were sold for $6 each as MARA's price went up over 17%. With such a strong move upward, it's likely profit-taking and consolidation of price action would occur, moving the price back down and therefore making this bear call spread profitable. When selling options, the best time to sell calls or call verticals is on a green day, in MARA's example, and the best time to sell puts or put verticals is on red days or a red move downward, as was the case earlier this round. That said, MARA showed some muscle this round with a big move upwards, threatening the short call verticals. As you can see from the price action this round, MARA moved up to almost 60% in 1 week. But there's still time for the stock to move lower and make these verticals profitable. So for this second round, MARA gained $35 with an average ROI per trade of 24.15%. The opening positions going into the final round are 100 long shares, 1 short call, and 3 short call verticals. With all the open positions, it leaves MARA with $200 in trading capital. And that's the end of round 2. NKLA closes with a stock price of $5.49. $21 in total profit with an average ROI per trade of 2.26%. And for MARA, it closed at $8.50, and the profit from round 2 was $35 with an average of 24.15% ROI per trade. So for NKLA, the $18 from round 1 plus the $21 from this round gives NKLA about total of $39. MARA's first round profit was $23, plus this round's $35 means MARA wins round 2, $58 to $39. The third and final round is coming up soon, so click on that subscribe button so you don't miss all the action between NKLA and MARA in this UPC bantamweight bout.